Hello, and to all the students out there. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? And glad to see you too. And you, and you, and you. Da la 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 la. Okay, welcome to my channel. So it's me, Teacher Gracie Jane, where you can learn more and share more. So for today's video po, ay ibabahagi ko na naman ang mga forms na kailangan nating i-check at the end of the year. And for us, senior high school, at the end of the semester po. So ito po ang aming card. So here, and highlight lang po yung mga LRN. And my section po is section Duterte. So for grade 12. Okay, so leave po natin yung age. And shout out to my principal, Jenerose Macamay, school principal 2. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your leadership. Thank you so much. So ito po ang aming Form 138. And later, i-share ko rin po kung paano po maglagay ng formula para hindi na po natin mag-compute pa using our calculator or even our cell phone. Okay, leave lang natin po dyan. And since this is the outside, so ipapakita po natin yung inside. Okay. Here. So, for us, grade 12 or senior high school, ito po ang aming mga subject by semester or by quarter po siya. So, for us, senior high school, we have first quarter and second quarter for the first semester. And for the second semester, we have another first quarter and second quarter. And ito po yung bago natin for the pandemic card. Meron po tayong learning modality, and for us, we have modular po. Okay. Now, here, didelete ko lang po ito para malaman natin kung paano ba siya lagyan ng formula. Okay. And isi-share ko rin kung paano ba gumawa ng copy using the same folder or file. So kagaya po dito sa baba, ayan po. Meron po yan. Yung pangalan na po. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so example here for Kagang. Pag nag-entry po kasi tayo, ayan, example is 80. So dito maglalagay ka na naman, or you can use your calculator for the computation for his or her final grade for the first semester, kasi first semester yan. So, paano po natin lagyan ng formula? And again, later, paano po natin ikakopy dyan dito para automatic ilagay na lang po natin yung name. Okay, so let's start. So, ang gagawin po, but first, lalagay ko muna dito para hindi na tayo magbalikan yung mga na-entry natin. So, how are we going to put an average with formula na po ha? General average for the semester. So, click this one and then equals, click average, open parentheses, then click this one. Okay, hanggang dito lang. Huwag niyong isasali yung sa line ng general average per semester. Then, click OK. Enter. Ayan. So, ayan po ang nakalagay. Pag click po nyo ito, automatic po ito na po ang kanyang formula na nasa taas. Okay po. So, paano po natin malalaman kung automatic din po siyang maglalagay ng average dito? So, example, pag nalagay natin to, hindi po siya nakalagay na dito, no? Hindi siya automatic na nag-e-entry agad. So, how are we going to do that one? To put a formula on this part. Okay, another, click this one, and then again, equals, average, open parentheses, and click this quarter 1 and quarter 2 only. then enter. Ayan. So again, if you click this one, this is the formula. So paano pag gusto nating lagyan pareho dito? So you can drag, ayan, you can drag that one. Ayan. Or copy this one, then click it here, and another you can drag it here, drag down. So ibig sabihin, iyan po ay may formula na po iyan. Now take note, the formula here is average H key, dito po, H, yan, H7, ito po yung H, yan, H, kasama yan, H, then yung 7 dito riyan, 7. Yan, ito po yung 7. Then, key, yan po, another 7. Yan yun dito, di ba? H key to key 7. H key to K7. Okay. Same also with here. Okay. So, example, if I'm going to put 78, ayan po, automatic po siya na entry. Wow! So, how about if I'm going to put 80? Same, automatic po siya nagdala. Okay, same process. Entry, wag nyo nang galawin po ito na part. Wag nyo na siyang galawin. Naka-formula na po yan. Okay? So, example, click 80. And if you are doubtful with it, you can compute. You can use your phone or either your calculator if your formula is correct. 90. Example lang yan yung ano niya, grade niya. 90. Ayan. Now, if you look at here, dito, ito rin ang kanyang average. So, if you use your calculator, you add all this one, then you divide into how many subjects? 7. And then it will total with this. Okay? So, I hope you learned something po. And we're done with the average. We're done with the formula. And if you put it here, same process lang po yung ginawa natin na formula. So, example, 80, ayan. Naka-formula na din po siya. So, here, how are we going to make a copy para malagay yung mga pangalan ng files ng ating mga student? So, for me, I have 21 students. So, example, this one, ito na yung na-edit natin na may formula, right? So, click this one, right-click, then click Move or Copy. Again, right-click, Move or Copy. Ayan. Click Create a Copy, then OK. Ayan, ito na po yung copy, kagang 2. Diba? May kagang and may kagang 2. So, if you want to rename this one, right-click again, then click Rename. Again, pag nakakopy na po kayo na nakita na nyo na may 2, ibig sabihin nakakopy na yung isang file. So, again, click right-click Rename. And then, what is next to kagang is we have kalihan. So, automatic, ayan po, entry, kalihan. Okay. So, again, copy, right-click, move or copy, create a copy, and okay. So, you can drag this one para sunod-sunod na po siya. Alphabetical na po yan. So, kalihan 2, right-click, rename. What's next to kalihan is kanyete. We have kanyete. Okay? So, I hope you learned something for today's video po. And sum up lang po natin. Pag-entry ng formula average. Example, equals average. Then, click kung anong part ng cell ang gusto nyo ilagyan ng formula para hindi na kayo mag-calculate pa or gamit yung cellphone ninyo. That is for the the formula sa card natin. But for the copy ng ating file for your student, you have right-click, move or copy, then create a copy, then okay. Then for rename, right-click, rename, then what's next to your students? They have the GAMO. Okay. So that's it. So thank you so much. So I hope you learned something for today's video. And if you do, please hit like. Please comment down below kung ano pa yung mga video na gusto nyong ituro ko po. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa ating mga video classroom tutorial. Again, this is Teacher Gracy Jane, where you can learn more and share more. God bless you.